Hi, welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we do unboxings, handbag reviews, discuss beauty and lifestyle. And today I am doing a 30-day review of this beautiful bag. It's the Empire 34 from Coach. So if you're interested in learning about the pros, the cons, and finding out if I would buy this bag again, please keep watching. Okay, this bag, the Empire Coach 34 from Coach, is absolutely a must-have. If you're a bag collector like I am, you have to have one of these in your collection. Trust me, this girl will not let you down. I have carried this bag probably three to four out of 7 days a week, and she matches every single thing I wear, whether it's something more formalized for work, if it's something casual like I have on right now. I've worn it out and about, shopping, church, family events, and she matches everything. I mean, absolutely gorgeous bag. Now, what I really like about it, it is an east-west bag. It's not very deep, and you can see I'm sticking my hand in here, and you can see my watch still. It's not very deep at all. It's easy to get in and out of. She comes with this tether that you can use for your keys. It also has a pocket on the inside in the back where you can put items, and you have the ability to extend or open up this gusset right here. So you have this strap on both sides where you can extend this a little bit further. I don't have a need for that, so I kind of leave her the way she came. But it is an amazing bag. Now, what fits in this bag? We're going to do my fit test, and I typically have my wallet, my bows, my keys, fingernail files. Okay, I guess I really don't need to, right? Hand cream, tissues. Now, I typically carry my items in a makeup bag, but I'm not carrying that much because it's so hot. But I have my pressed powder. I have my little puff just in case I get shiny. I have lip gloss, and you know I gotta have my NYX. So comb, and I bought this gum, you guys, Energy and Focus gum. It really does help you focus. I don't know if it's the amount of peppermint in it or not, but it's like you chew that and you are wide awake. So I also carry my sunglasses in here, and I don't have those available right now, but it will hold all of my items, and you see, and I still have tons of space left. I also have my cell phone and my charger, but I'm using my phone to tape, so it's not in here. But yeah, this is a beautiful bag. Pros: I love the way it fits. It fits in the small of my body, so it fits right there under my arm. It carries all of my items with space to spare. The quality of the leather is fantastic. It's very easy to get in and out of. In terms of the way that I dress, it complements the outfits that I wear, and it looks good with everything. This shade of brown, the maple, is chef's kiss. Now, cons. The only con that I have is that I don't have this one in a honey brown. This bag is, I can't think of any cons. If I had to reconsider this bag, would I buy it again? Yes, I would. Even though it was gifted to me, you guys, I would definitely spend my money on this bag because she is worth it. Now, typically when I wear her, I have her dressed. This last week I had her dressed in silver. I wear silver a lot, and I decided to have her dressed just like me. So I have a silver chain for her. It has the cherry on one end. It has the heart, the puffed heart, and it has an elephant. My mom and I are elephant girls, so she has an elephant on her purse, and I keep one on mine too. So, the bag itself is beautiful without being dressed, but I always like to add a little bling to my bags just to make them stand out or pop even more. So, here she is dressed, and she is absolutely stunning. She is absolutely stunning, with the charms or without. So, this is my review of this bag. Like I said, if I had to buy it again, would I buy it again? Without a doubt. Please let me know what you think. Are you interested in this purse? What do you think the pros and cons are? Please comment. Let's chat it up. Let's discuss this Empire bag. And because I love hearing from you guys. I love interacting with you in the comments. Please click on like and subscribe because that helps to grow the channel. And until the next time, take care of yourselves and